At the outset, I would like to thank the organizers for giving us this opportunity. So it's indeed a pleasure to be as part of this panel, especially towards upskilling part of the entire ecosystem. So when we look at the perspective from the deep tech sector, so Skyroot Aerospace, where I represent today, is India's first private launch vehicle development company, where we have launched the first rocket into space on 18th November 2022, making history in India as the first private company to launch from South Asia successfully. So when we look at the entire ecosystem of all the students who are coming out of the colleges, as today morning we have been seeing all the various discussions on AI and cyber security aspects. One major point what we look is the passion in the students especially. And this needs to be inculcated in terms of the interaction between academia and academia industry relations. So for example, when any student who is doing his or her college studies is going to come out into flying colors at the end of the course, it need not be always the fact that it is industry ready. So what we see is most of the students are not yet industry ready. The main reason for all these activity that the students are not ready is that the projects or the topics in which the students are working on are still based out of textbook based activities, but not rather what the industry needs. Getting onto a point where the students say, I'm working on a live project, there are tons and tons of problems what the students can identify themselves, which motivate them as well as which are very much relevant to the industry. So these things have to be brought out rather than giving the students themselves a topic which is there. So this is one of the most important points where we can develop rapidly the entire ecosystem. So this also involves educating the teachers basically to a point where the industry is. So these are some of the aspects which I think will boost significantly the way in which the ecosystem develops. So now we also have AI, which is coming up a lot, AI and ML. So how do we incorporate these aspects from the perspective of a deep tech or an application level? What are the possibilities of incorporating these to ease or to release the mundane activities? So these are some of the ways in which we could enhance the thought process in which students can come out. So these is some points which I think would address your question what you have asked for. But if you look at despite these activities, when the students come out, what we notice is that the passion and the obsession is still not up to the mark. So until that point where the self-realization in the individual has to come up to the point, yes, I am passionate and obsessed with that field. So no industry would, typically look forward to take them. Or rather the other way, industry needs such people.
Very interesting